The Open Network Users Group has identified SDN Federation as a key use case in software-defined infrastructure. In this demonstration, we'll show how NEC's Programmable Flow networking suite can be used for SDN Federation. In this demonstration, we'll show how a data center orchestrator can provision a set of data center controllers with a policy, and that policy can then be deployed across multiple sets of data center infrastructure. Programmable Flow is a software-defined networking infrastructure that provides ease of administration through a single pane of glass, network visibility end-to-end across a network infrastructure, consistent policy across sites through the network virtualization layer, and an open networking model that allows multiple vendors to be managed from the Programmable Flow controller.
The use case to demonstrate today is to show how to configure and provision data center network through Data Center Orchestrator to migrate application dependency map from brownfield to SDN Fabric. NEC's Data Orchestrator lets you set service chaining policies from brownfield devices via programmable interfaces such as GUI, CLI, REST APIs. The configuration would be propagated to SDN controller at each data center automatically. Then SDN controller will manage SDN switch fabric for traffic steering with the brownfield devices such as firewalls, load balancers, WAN optimizers. This screen shows NEC's Orchestrator management web interface. The demo is shown via a web GUI. The top part is one SDN switch fabric managed by Data Center 1 SDN controller. And next part is another SDN switch fabric managed by Data Center 2 SDN controller. Since the orchestrator controls multiple data center network, you can see physical topology of both data centers in this demo. The next screen shows two different SDN controllers on the orchestrator. In this demo, the second data center network is being used. The virtual network of the second data center shows L2 and L3 network on the orchestrator. When I go into SDN controller, the same virtual network shows to the end-to-end traffic visibility. Throughout this demo, I'm running traffic from one host to the other host at the background. End-to-end visibility shows the one host from the one subnet goes through the virtual layer 3 network to get to the other host in the other subnet. As you notice, that NEC's SDN solution handles layer 2, layer 3 traffic in the fabric at the same time. Now I am going to show how to add the firewall device into SDN fabric. Now I am creating an ingress port for the firewall and an egress port for firewall by dragging, dropping from management GUI as virtual node after connecting to the switch. The mapping method in this case is port mapping. Now I am going to show how to set service chaining policy from firewall ports to steer traffic through the firewall. The setting can be done through GUI with traffic condition and redirection rules for incoming and outgoing traffic. So the further setup is being done for egress traffic for the firewall. Once the setting is done on the orchestrator, let's see the SDN controller of the data center. The controller has the same policy setting with the newly added firewall ports you can see. Now end-to-end traffic visibility shows incoming traffic will be redirected to the firewall ingress port and coming out from the egress port of the firewall based on the firewall rules before getting into destination host. At this point, traffic disruption by traffic steering is millisecond level. Further, dynamic on-demand traffic steering can be triggered through REST APIs with workload monitoring from third-party tool.
For more information on this and other Open Network User Group use cases, please visit the NEC booth.